Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your phone for using data on a live call. Open Settings and enable VoLTE LTE and Wi-Fi calling to keep data active during voice. Verify your mobile plan has at least 5 GB of data remaining to avoid surprises. Close or force stop background apps that consume bandwidth to prioritize the call connection. Turn on Data Saver to reduce background transfers and reserve throughput. Check that the phone has a stable signal before dialing to prevent drops. While on the call, optimize settings to reduce unnecessary data use. If you can, switch to Wi-Fi calling to conserve mobile gigabytes and stabilize quality. Avoid enabling video or screen sharing because those features increase consumption rapidly. Pause automatic cloud backups and file syncs in the quick settings to prevent uploads. Use the in-call data meter or Android quick settings to monitor live consumption during long calls. If usage spikes, hang up and reconnect. After adjusting app permissions, after the call, review how much data the session consumed in settings. Open mobile data or network usage and note the call duration alongside megabytes used during the session. Set a monthly data cap like 15 GB and enable alerts at 80% to avoid overages. Use call and app logs to identify any background services that used large amounts of data. Restrict those apps by disabling background data or switching them to Wi-Fi only. Consider a dedicated VoIP app with lower bitrate for future calls to save.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.